Let's learn how we solve these problems. Here, the area of the rectangle is 128 meters square. If length is to breadth is equal to 2 is to 1, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So what we have is we have a rectangle like this here. Sorry, let me just change this one. Okay, length. You have a rectangle like this, and length is to breadth is 2 is to 1. So which means that if the breadth is x, this will be 2x. Okay, so if you use algebra, this can be done very easily. So in this case, area is equal to 2x times x. So that means 2x square is equal to 128. X square is equal to 128 over 2, which is equal to 64. So x is equal to square root of 64, which is equal to 8. So the breadth is 8 and the length is 2x is equal to 16. Okay. Second question, a right angle triangle has the length of the sides as, so you can draw a small right angle triangle and see for yourself, because that will give you more clarity on how you should be handling it. So you have 8 centimeter, 15 and 17. Always remember the longer side will be hypotenuse. So this becomes 17, and there's irrelevant whichever side you take the other one. So it is 8, sorry. Where am I getting this number from? So this is 8 and this is 15. So once you have this values plotted it out, you know that area is equal to half times base times height. So base is 15 here. So half times 15 times 8, you can just put it into the calculator and get the values, or if you want to simplify this, you will get this value, which is 60 and centimeter square. Don't forget to write down the unit. Okay. Now the third one, calculate the area of the diagram. Whenever you get a complex diagram like this, you should split it. Okay, this we have learned in primary, so you have to split it. So here it is like you have a square like this, and then you have a triangle like this. Okay, so let us take the case of the square. So this is the first figure and this is the second figure. So area of the first figure is it's a square, so it is like area is equal to, let me put it as area 1, it is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16, and the area of the second figure is equal to it's a triangle, so if it is half times base times height, which is equal to half times base is this distance. Okay, the total is 8 centimeter. So what is this distance? It is this 8 minus 4, because this is 4, so it is 4 times, and this height is again 4 centimeter. So now this I multiply, or you put it into the calculator, and 4 2s are 8. So the total area is equal to 16 plus 8, which is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now moving on to this one, calculate the area of the shaded region of the diagram. So in this case, whenever they give a shaded region, you have to identify shapes, and then you have to see whether adding or subtracting of any shapes, we will be able to find out the area. So in this case, you have a rectangle here like this, okay, and there is a triangle which is cut from here. Okay, so what we have is we have a rectangle first, and then you have a triangle. So how will you find the area of the shaded region? So area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle. Now area of the rectangle is length times width, which is like 20 times 15, and area of a triangle, how will you find the area of the triangle? So the total distance is 15, this distance is 7, okay, so this distance will be 8. Okay, and same with this one, the total is 20. Sorry, this is getting rubbed off, so let me just remove that. So the total is 20, this distance is 14, so this will be 6. So area of a triangle is equal to half times 8 times 6, and then you put this into the calculator, you will get as 276 centimeter square. Okay, now moving on to this question, again you have to find the area of the shaded portion. So what you should do, you should find this total area of this rectangle, and then subtract the area of this one. Okay, now there's one small thing what you have to understand here. If you find the area of the rectangle, because it is half portion, so what you have to do is like you have to find the area of the full area of the rectangle, then divide this by half. Okay, divide the area into half, so which means that you will get this much, and then you subtract the area of the half circle. This circle you have to subtract. Okay, so always it is half, so you have to have that in mind in this particular case. So let's do step by step. Area of the flag is 8 times 10, which is equal to 80 centimeter square. Area of the circle, question number 2 is, area of the circle is, it covers 1/5 of the total area of the flag. So that is 1/5 times 80, which is equal to 16 centimeter square. Now you have to find the shaded portion. So as I said, you will find the shaded portion, the area of the half of the uh, rectangle, which is nothing but 40 centimeter square, minus area of this portion, half of the circle, so which is minus 8 centimeter square. So that is equal to 32 centimeter square. Okay. Now we move on to area of the sector. So area of the sector, you have that in the formula book, which is theta over 360 times 2 pi, sorry, area is pi r square. So you have this in formula book, theta over 360 pi r square. So in this case, it is, area is given as 31.4, that is equal to theta over 360 times pi times r square. Theta is here 36. So in this case, you can simplify this. The first thing is, either what you can do is like you can put this into the calculator. Put this into the calculator, 36 over 360, and then you will get the simplified version, and then you simplify all the factors accordingly. So what you can do here is let me just try to simplify it in normal way. So it is 31.4 is equal to 1 over 10 pi r square, and then r square is equal to 31.5 times 10 divided by pi. And once you put this into the calculator, you will get value of 100. So r is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10. If you didn't understand this calculation, please message me. I will try to explain that to you in a little more detailed manner. Okay, same over here, it is 40 over 360 pi r square is equal to 12.56, and 40 over 360 will be 1 by 9 pi r square is equal to 12.56, and then r square is equal to 12.56 times 9 over pi, then you will get the answer of 36, which means that r is equal to square root of 36, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Always remember to update the unit. Thank you.